Last time we was discussing that r z power n or exponential of yes, that's what this. Yes. अच्छा मैं चलो सुना z is r exponential of iota theta, and I have said z power n. Okay. Yes, and I said that this zn is equal to 1 minute exponential of n1 कह लो या whatever I n1 ni whatever n not कर दो ताकि हमें ये पता हो फिक्स नंबर n not is fixed number. Oh no, sorry, variable. Yes. Yes, yes. Ni. Okay. Whatever. 1, 2, 3. Where ni is 0, 1, 2, up till infinity. Okay. And this z will be r power 1 by n. We have to stop here. That will be exponential of iota theta by n plus 2 pi ni divided by n. And that was our n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up till infinity. Okay. नहीं I suppose that this is given to this. Okay. Then what will be happen if it is possible zn equal to this, then what will be happen? Okay, in the polar form this can be right in the form of this, and then this will be equal to this. Okay, here n is up till infinity and I is up till infinity, so they have a infinity number of roots, but this is not true. Why? I will explain it now. But it will have, it is looking that it will have a, ni has a infinity. Yes, it has an infinity, there is no doubt, but it will be repeated, so number of roots will be equal to, so and I have infinity. But distinct roots of R will be, Z will be n. That is a very surprise. So we have to stop here. If n is 3, I have to consider the n 0, 1, 2, 3 up till. Why? Because Z For example, if this is a knot, okay, because it is fixed. Okay. Z means C. You may write this is C or minus iota. Let's suppose it is minus iota. It may be a C or it may be a Z. Okay, if you take C or Z, that is cube is equal to minus iota, then what will be happen? Okay, and how you will find the roots? Okay, we know that Z3 will be equal to, yes, Z magnitude iota exponential of iota theta. Okay, that is the polar representation of complex numbers. Yes, and you have to find that that is equal to minus iota theta, or for this iota will be equal to Z magnitude is, what is that? X square plus x square plus y square. Okay. Yes. Then what is that? That is 1, because 1 square plus 1 square. 0 square plus 1 square. Minus 1 square is equal to, yes, you are right. If you take minus 1 square, that will be a plus. So that will be a 1. And whatever that is power, if you take the power, this will be equal to 1. If that magnitude is this, if you take a power, that will be a 1. Okay. So that ki jo bhi power le, that is the constant. What is the theta arc? Yes, that is theta, that will be a tan inverse of sin theta will be x divided by z. Y theta will be cos theta will be y over z. X over y. Y over x, yes, y over x, okay, and this will be minus 1 0 infinity. Yes, you are right, that is infinity, that is minus iota pi by 2. Yes. tan इनवर्स की जगह आप ले लो sin theta over cos theta. Okay, that is tan theta, or that is equal to sin theta is minus 1. Okay, cos theta is 0. So minus, so this will be give you, when this will be happen, theta will be minus minus pi by 2, and that is equal to 3 pi by 2. You mean this is plus iota, this is minus iota, this is plus 1, this is minus 1. So this will be equal to, this angle will be 3 pi by 2. Yes? Okay. So theta will be minus pi by 2, or that will be minus iota. Okay, got it? So Z3 will be 1 when we 1 exponential of iota 3 pi by 2, okay, plus 2 pi and I. Yes, and I may have or we may say that this exponential will be iota 3 pi by 2 plus 2 pi ni. Okay, where ni is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up till infinity. Yes, and I value the value of ny will be 0 to infinity. Okay, so that will be repeated. Okay, so this implies that z is equal to exponential of three pi by 2, yes, plus 2 pi ni over 1 by 3. De Morgan theorem, according to De Morgan theorem, that will be exponential of iota 3 pi by 6 plus 2 pi by ni over 3. That was, yes? Okay. Okay. So, yes, this was or we may write that this z is, yes, this z is equal to exponential of exponential of pi by 2 plus 2 pi ni over 3. Yes. तो रेड में इतना मेरा ख्याल वाज़ेह नहीं नजर आ रहा. Must use a white chocolate. White. Z will be equal to exponential of pi by 2 plus 2 pi ni over 3. That there will be a difference value. Okay. Thank you. You are great. Okay. Okay. So this is here. For different ni value, there will be a different. Okay, and ni will be again 0, 1, 2, 3 up till infinity. Okay, so Z0 will be, when we put L0, Z0 will be exponential of pi by 2 plus 2 pi over, that will become a pi by 2. Here was exponential. Okay, exponential of iota is multiplying. Okay. So exponential of iota pi by 2. Okay, pi by 2 is angle 90. If I draw, this will be a pi by 2. Okay. This will be a Z0. At angle pi by 2, that will be a this will be a Z0. Okay. Okay. Aorta, yes, aorta. Sorry. This will be along the aorta axis. Yes. Okay. Cos theta plus sine theta. So cos will be 0. I am not taking along this axis. Okay. This will be iota pi by 2. Okay. This is iota pi by 2. So why you are worried? That is very simple. If you consider cos pi by 2, exponential of iota pi by 2, what is the meaning of this? Cos pi by 2 plus iota sine pi by 2. Okay. And cos pi by 2 is 0. Okay. And sine I by 2, that will be iota. That is equal to 1, and that is equal to iota. So this will be iota. This will be iota axis. Okay. But here I am considering only angle. But if you consider in this will be also give the value of iota. This is real axis. This is imaginary. Okay. Okay. But I'm not interested on that. So Z0 will be exponential of iota pi by 2. Yes. Similarly, Z1 will be exponential of iota pi by 2 plus 2 pi over 3. Okay. So this is pi by 2. Okay. So this what is this angle is pi by 2. Okay. Okay. This angle is pi by 2. Yes. Now other angle is pi by 2 plus 2 pi by 3. This will be pi by 2. This will be pi, and this will be a 2 pi. If you provide, if this will be complete circle, if we consider a complete circle, this will be a 2 pi. Yes. Okay. So if I divide it into the, what is that, 3 part, mean this will be 1 and this will be a third. Okay. This is pi 2. This is complete angle is 2 pi. If we consider anti-clockwise rotation, means if you consider anti-clockwise rotation, if you come back again, this circle will be equal to 2 pi. Okay. If I divide into 3 parts, equal parts, if I divide in 3 parts, this angle will be 2 pi over 3, and this will be, okay, no, 2 pi by 3, third part. Okay. So this will be your second angle. 1 minute. So if this length is 1, every will have a same length. This will be a 2 pi over 3. This will be your second root. So this will be a first root. This will be a second root. Third root will be 1 minute. What will be? Yes. Pi by 2. We have started from pi by 2 and rotate 2 pi, and that will be 2 pi by 3. Okay. we have added in, this is pi by 2 and then 3 pi by 2, 2 pi by 3, okay, got it? And that 3 will be exponential of iota pi by 2 plus 4 pi by 3. That mean, okay, this is 4 pi by 3. And this may be right in this way. Exponential iota pi by 2 plus 2 into 2 pi by 3. You may write in this way. This is first, this was multiplied with the, if we divide 3 parts, this is 1 part, this will be a second. See, what will be this? This will be 2 into 2 pi over 3. This is was multiplied with the 1. This was will be multiplied with the 2. Okay. So this will be okay. This will be a 2 multiplied by 2 pi by 3. Yes, got it. So this will be a Z naught. This will be a this is Z naught. What is this? This is Z1 and this will be a Z2. Okay, so these will be your root. Okay, if we consider the Z3, the third root, okay, then what will be exponential of iota pi by 2 plus 2 pi over multiplied by 3 divided by 3. 3 will be okay. There are two ways to consider it. You may consider it like this. Okay. I think that is more better. Okay. If you consider like this, okay, this is a yes 3 into 2 pi over 3. It means if we rotate it, if we have divided it into the 3 parts, this is first part, this is second part, this is we have this is the like a second class concept of the friction. I mean, if you have a whole round cake, if there is in the denominator there is 3 or 4, it means you are cutting the cake in 4 pieces or 3 pieces. If that is multiplying this is will be a 1 part. If you multiplying with the 2, then that will be a second part. If you multiplying with the third will be cancelled. This will be a first part, this is a second part, and this will be a third part, and then it will be repeated. Okay, so this will mean if you consider the third part, okay, it will come back to the yes. So you may consider that is repeated, or if you consider in friction part, okay, 1 minute. This is circle center. You have divided the circle in 3 parts. Okay, this 1, 2, and 3. Okay, or you may say that 0, Z0, Z1, and Z2. Okay, pi by 2. Okay, oh sorry, what was that? Okay, Yes, this will be a pi by 2. This will be a 2 into 2 pi by 2. Oh, sorry, 2 pi. This was a 2 pi. No, not 2 pi by 3. Pi by 2 में angle add किया ना. This will be pi by 2 plus 2 pi by 2 pi by 3. Okay, and multiply. This will be a pi by 2 plus 2 1 multiplied by 2 pi by 3. Yes, this was a 2 pi multiplied by 3. And what will be this? This will be pi by 2 plus, क्योंकि this is pi by 2 plus 2 into 2 pi by 2. And this will be again what is this? And this will be again, yes, pi by 2 plus 3, 2 pi by 3. This all was a 3. Okay. So you have divided into 3 parts. Okay. And this will be repeated. Okay. Even if we consider it, if one way is we consider this, and one way to understand it, we may write in this way too. That exponential is iota pi by 2 plus 2 pi. You may write in this way too. Okay, this is both is are equal. Okay, you may write in this way too. Okay, and this is 2 pi means repeat. Okay, this if you come, this is 2 pi. Okay. If you come back again to 2 pi, okay, so this will be this exponential will become iota pi by 2, and that is z naught. If you consider in this case, that will be also z naught. This will be also z naught. Okay. Similarly, if you increase, if you consider this, if okay, got it? Okay. So in this way, we may generalize. Okay. Yes. In this way, we generalize. What will be the z? This is z3, z4. That will be a 4 times. Okay. The exponential of iota pi by 2. 1 minute, please. Iota 1 by pi 1 by 2. Yes. Plus if there is 3, then that will be multiplied by 3. If there is a 4, then it will be multiplied by 4. 4 into 2 pi by 3. So this is 2 pi. This will be okay. This will be a 4. Okay. 1 minute, please. This is 2 pi. 3 pi by. Okay. 4 again this. Okay. 4 again. And this will be Z1. Okay. Or it may be. This may be right in this way. 3 plus 1. Okay. Okay. And this will be a Z1. Okay. And Z5 will be exponential of iota pi by 2 plus 3 plus 2, 2 pi by 3, and this will be a Z2. Okay. So, and this may also write in the form of exponential of iota pi by 2 plus 4. 1 minute, please. This Z3 may be right in this way. This, okay, which was a Z0. That may be right in this way. Pi by 2 plus, yes, plus pi by 2, yes. 3 plus 0. 2 pi over 3. That may be right in this way. And this will be a Z0. So if here is 0, then that will be 0. So that will be repeated in this way. Means if we write it in the form of this, that will be repeated. Okay. So similarly, every component will be repeated after when this will be, if we write in the form. You may say that Zn exponential of iota pi by 2 plus I don't think mean if it will be repeat after when that will be repeated, and so in this way you may define that it so only the distinct, so this applies that only 3 distinct roots will be exist. Okay, got it? Hello. Z equal to 1. Z magnitude is equal to 1. Theta is equal to 0 or R is 0. Okay. So Z equal to Zn is equal to cos exponential of iota 0 2 pi ni, yes, 2 pi ni, 0 is 0, okay, and Z equal to 1, Z magnitude is 1, or Z 1 by n will be also equal to 1. That will be remain constant. There will be no value change. Okay. Euler circle. Okay. So this that will be exponential of iota 2 pi ni divided by n. For example, if we taking the second root, okay. For example, now I am interested only to find the two roots, okay. And but we have already find the three roots. Now we are interested in two roots, okay. So this will be equal to 2, okay. Z1 is equal to 0. 0 will 2 pi. So this will be a 0. Iota 0. This will be a 1. Okay. Z1 will be equal to 5/2. 2 will be cancelled with the 2. 1/2. I is equal to 1. 1/2. 1/2. Okay. 2/2. 5. Sorry. 5. And this will be equal to cos pi. Cos pi is equal to -1. Okay. Sin pi is 0. And Z2 will be, yes. So these will be so there are two roots of, और ये चेक भी किया जा सकता है. Now we check in the real number theory beside the complex number. Okay. One root. One is one combination. This combination square root will be 1. One minute. ये -1 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या होता है? Z स्क्वायर 1 होता है, इसकी पावर 1 है. स्क्वायर रूट जो है वो इसका क्या बनेगा? -1 बनेगा. स्क्वायर रूट किसे कहते हैं? 1 Z1 के 2 स्क्वायर रूट बनते हैं ना. स्क्वायर रूट ले रहा हूं यार, ये स्क्वायर रूट है. नहीं समझ रहे. Z जो 1 है इसके रूट स्क्वायर रूट कौन कौन से बनते हैं?
ये इसी के दो रूट बनते हैं.
इसके दो रूट, एक 1 एक -1, यानी -1 को -1 से ये स्क्वायर रूट ले रहा हूं. आंसर 1/2 का ले. स्क्वायर रूट किसे कहते हैं? मैं स्क्वायर नहीं ले रहा. नहीं बात. स्क्वायर रूट किसे कहते हैं? भूल गए हो? मैं मन में फिर दोबारा समझो. एक मिनट. Z है आपके पास 1, एन आई क्या है, Z1/2 क्या है, जो इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकाल रहे हो आप, इसके रूट्स निकाल रहे हो, Z की कोई भी पावर है, 2 जो है ये 1 है, Z किसके बराबर होगा, 1 की पावर 1/2, और 1/2 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1, एक ये बन सकता है, स्क्वायर रूट उसे कहते हैं ना, मुझे बच्चों वाला बात बतानी पड़ेगी, ठीक है। दिस इज 0, दिस इज 0 रूट, एक रूट ही है, दूसरा रूट क्या है, -1 कह लो या, ठीक है, दूसरा रूट क्या आएगा, -1, सॉरी 1 कैसे आ सकता है, -1 का को -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करो और इसका स्क्वायर रूट लो, तो ये क्या है, -1, एक मिनट प्लीज, ये क्या है, -1 की पावर 2 से, ये कौन सा रूट आ रहा है, रूट्स आर डिफरेंट, वो उसका कंबाइन वैल्यू है, जो 1 है ना, वो उसका स्क्वायर की रिजल्ट की वैल्यू, जो स्क्वायर रूट है वो 2 है, ये स्क्वायर रूट है, Z की वैल्यू ये 2 है।
पावर 3 है, तो 3 टाइम्स वो मल्टीप्लाई होगा और 1/3 पावर में जाएगा,
3 रूट्स बनेंगे, हाँ ये अब चेक किया जा सकता है, अभी इसी 1 के 3 रूट, ये तो नजर आ रहा था 1 - 1, 3 रूट कैसे बनेंगे, रियल नंबर में देख लेते हैं, कम्प्लेक्स में थोड़ी सी मुश्किल हो रही है ना, कम्प्लेक्स का तो आपको तरीका समझ आ गया, अब रियल नंबर में आपको ज्यादा आसानी से समझ आती है। If there is a 3, if power is 3, then the Z will be equal to 1/3. Okay, and this will be this in real number. You may write 1 1 1 1/3. Okay, one possibility is, and other is possibility is, ये तो हो गया ना 1 का क्यूब, यस, नहीं तो वो तो क्यूब तो ना बनाना, क्यूब के लिए क्या होता है, क्यूब के लिए तीनों सेम होने चाहिए, देन यू हैव टू टेक दी हेल्प फ्रॉम द कम्प्लेक्स नंबर। रूट्स का क्या मतलब होता है, स्क्वायर रूट का मतलब क्या होता है, क्यूबिक रूट का मतलब क्या होता है, सेम साइन सेम उसके साथ के उनको मल्टीप्लाई करें तो सेम रिजल्ट है, जैसे 1 के रूट क्या बनते हैं, 1 का स्क्वायर का क्या बन रहा है, 1 - 1, स्क्वायर रूट तो आसान होता है, इसको उस तरह दोबारा इसको उस तरीके से करके देखो, वहां से पता चलेगा। Z0 exponential of iota 0 plus 2 pi ni over minus ni over 3. Okay, z is 1. Okay, z की power 1/3 is also 1. Okay, so that will be equal to this. Z0 will be exponential of iota 0. That will be 1. Z1 will be, one root is very clear. That one is very clear. Okay. Other will be root. 3. And other root will be 2, 2 to 4, 4 pi over 3. Okay. So these will be the 3 roots. So there will be a 3 different values of this. Okay. And Z0, Z1, Z2. These will be 3 roots. Okay. So in this way, you may find the different roots related to. So in real number हमने इसको भी समझ लिया कि ये कैसे असल में रियल नंबर में भी ऐसा होता है, लेकिन हमें पता नहीं. तो कम्प्लेक्स नंबर इज इजीएस्ट वे. रियल नंबर में तो उसी के सामने सारा नंबर. कम्प्लेक्स नंबर इज इजीएस्ट वे टू फाइंड द रूट. ठीक है. Hello. Okay. Z equal to what is this? Z equal to Z naught. Yes. Oh, sorry. Z magnitude exponential of iota theta. This was a Z. Okay. Z. Okay. Whatever. Cube or whatever. Okay. This may be right as exponential of iota theta plus 2 pi ni over, if n naught, I consider that this is n naught, okay, because it is fixed value. This is n naught. You may write in, sorry, this equal to this, where ni is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up till whatever infinity. Okay. So Z will be equal to 1 by n naught exponential of iota theta plus 2 pi ni over n naught. Yes. Theta. Yes. This angle is fixed. Theta by n naught. This is principal angle. Okay. And these are the other possible values. Okay. Okay. But ni has value 0, 1, 2, 3 up till, yes, but little bit change. Here some one number will be n naught. Okay. You may say that like this, but n naught, but ni is 0, 1, 2, n naught minus 1, n naught, n plus 1, n naught plus 1, n naught plus 2, and so on up till infinity. Okay. Yes, may write in this way. Some n may be a 3, n may be a 0, n may be a 1, whatever. There are many possibilities. Okay. This can be write in this way. Okay. So this Z now will become For if Ni is equal to N naught less than N naught, this will be equal to this. Okay, the same. This is also come in Ni is N minus 1 and not minus 1. Okay, but this set will be Z 1 by N naught exponential. This is constant. This will always a constant. This will always constant. Okay, this value is fixed. Okay, whether N is 0, whether 1 root 3, this value is fixed and not is fixed. So Z by 1 by N is a fixed. This is a fixed. Iota theta by 2 is also fixed. Plus 2 pi N minus 1 and not minus, oh sorry. And not theta by. This is also fixed. One minute, please. This is also fixed. The value is not changing. Only these values are changing. Okay, these are fixed.
सर ये क्वेश्चन है कि यहाँ पर जो n नॉट माइनस वन बाय n नॉट लिखा है, अगर मैं इसको 2.25 करूँ और इसको डिनोमिनेटर है n नॉट, तो दोनों का तो n और n नॉट से कैंसिल हो जाएगा और 2 पाई माइनस में आएगा, माइनस 2 पाई बाय
माइनस हो रहा होगा ना, चेंज आ गई नीचे से, मतलब 1 become from clockwise, 1 may become in this way, 2 pi, and the sign will be changed. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so this will be equal to this. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, this will be equal to this, and naught will be cancelled with the n naught. So this Z1 by n exponential will be iota theta by n naught, and this will be equal to Z naught. 1 minute. This will be equal to Z naught. Okay, and this was for n equal to n naught. Okay, and Z will be equal to Z1 by n exponential of iota theta by n naught plus 2 pi pi 1. Minus 2 pi over n naught one minute. Please, be silent. If n naught, if this will be increasing. Okay. If this is whole is, if 1 is increasing. Okay. If n naught, if this ni is equal to n naught, then n naught will be cancelled with the n naught. This will become 2 pi, and this will give you the z naught, the zeroth component. Zeroth root. Okay, the first and the not 0 is defined. Okay, that was this is actually okay. So same this will be a nth root. Means if ni is 0, then that will be a 0. If that is a 1, so that will be repeated up till ni equal to this. But if this comes to equal to n naught, then that will be a repeat again. That will become a z naught, and n is 1, 2, 3. Now 0 will be excluded. N is natural number. Okay. Up till, again this will be repeated. Everything will be repeated. Okay. Up till n become up to all roots will be distinct again from first cycle up to again and not and become greater than equal to n naught. So this implies that we will have distinct roots up to n is less than n naught. Okay, n is less than n naught. Oh, sorry, ni is less than n naught, and then it will be, and then it will be cyclic for same periods. Okay, now I will explain that theta n value is increasing up till it touches, if it is less than n naught, the no value will be repeated. Okay, when it will become a up till when that is less than n naught, when it is become equal to n naught, then we will get z naught again, and same it is true for all the other value that will be repeated, that will be distinct, but that will be repeated to as the case of the set one. This for greater than, these are for all n greater than equal or greater than n naught. N mean natural number, 1, 2, 3. Means if ni become greater or equal, this is the part of equal, and divide mean if mean this is an n naught, then n naught will be and naught will be cancelled with the n naught. Sorry, this that here should be a 1. Yes, and naught will be cancelled with 1. Yes, 1. Yes, sorry, this is 1, and not divided by 1. Jab n will be equal to n naught, that then this will be, and this will become a gain. So you have a set is ni value will be, that will be a cycling for 0, 0 to 0 to ni, जिसका रूट ले, and that must be open from, and that will be a cycle. This is the period. Mean the ni value can exist between this is n naught, sorry, n naught means 0 to n naught. If n naught is 1, then up till 1. When n naught is 3, then up till 3. So that will be ni value will be distinct starting from n value 0, n naught. सही है. If n naught is 3, then that will be not included. Means that will be excluded. So that ni value will be, so number of roots will be depend upon this. Okay. So this is cyclic for this. After then this will be repeated. This will be cycling, and same the rule will be again applied. Got it? इसका okay. Natural one. Ni is not 1 and not equal to n naught. That will be cancelled. That will become a 1. Okay, this become a 2 pi 1. This become, and the other are increasing. Here was 0 plus 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4. बढ़ती जाएगी. There was a series. Firstly n naught. This n is 0. मतलब उस वक्त नहीं है, वो तो हमने निकाल दिया. Here n naught plus 1, n naught plus 2 up till infinity. That is all. Up till this become a game, then this will be add. यानी ये फिर 2 बन जाएगा, फिर यहाँ फिर वो नेचुरल नंबर शुरू हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So that means that will be, this angle will be मतलब 2 pi तो वैसे कुछ नहीं है, तो so that will be repeated again and again. For this set, this circle will be repeated. Means for this, the one circle will be completed. Then second circle, then third circle. So number of roots will be. I should say for this will make a one circle. Then if you consider the other, then that will be other circle, third, and so that will be a cyclic. Mean that will be repeated.
तीन होगा ये ओवर टाइम करेगा ना, 3 सर्कल
सेम ही, मतलब दैट वैल्यू इज रिपीटेड, उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, दैट इज साइक्लिक, मतलब ओवरलैप तो डिफरेंट मतलब बन जाता है, मतलब दैट इज you can't distinguish that is the same as that not is repeated, that is that not 2 pi का मतलब कुछ भी नहीं है, वो दोबारा उस पर रिपीट कर रहा है, ठीक है. So there will be a different root. So number of roots will be even and has infinite value. Distinct roots will be always depend upon the power of that. I mean if there is a 3 power, then there will be a 3 root. ये आपने वैसे रूट जब निकाले होंगे रियल नंबर में भी, वहाँ भी आपने देखा होगा, लेकिन वहाँ उस वक्त ये नहीं समझा होगा कि हम 3 क्यों निकाल रहे हैं, ठीक है. हम 3 है तो जितनी पावर होगी, वट एवर द पावर, if that is power is 3, then root will be 3. If the power is 4, then root will be 4. And that मतलब roots will be depend upon the power of that. Okay. Yes, you may write that this is ignorable. You may write it again. I agree. You may also write it. Remaining all is same, but exponential of theta by 2. Sorry, theta by n naught plus n divided by n naught. Yes, that is more accurate. Yes, you are right. No, we don't need a 2 pi. Yes, we need a. Okay, 1 minute. You are right. She is absolutely right. We may also write. Actually, we must write. Not may write, must write. Yes. 1 by n. This is equivalent to exponential of iota theta by 2 or theta by n naught plus 2 pi n divided by n naught. Yes, that is the form again. That is more accurate. Yes, we must write it. Up to n is less than, and again that will be repeated. Yes, no, that concept is more clear. आपका शुक्रिया, ठीक है, आपने ज़्यादा अच्छे तरीके से, मतलब ये ज़्यादा बेहतर नहीं था, वो ज़्यादा बेहतर है. नहीं, लेस देन, जब तक लेस देन है तब when it will become equal or greater than, then it will repeat again. फिर 2 वो बनेगा, फिर उसी तरीके से फिर वही हो जाएगा, ठीक है. आप ठीक है. So I should not complete. That is actual. Okay. Yes. Firstly, we must know what is the function. As we know that function is mapping actually. If this is x and this is, for example, if this is alpha plane, this will be f alpha. Okay. In simple differential calculus, You know that the value will be vary along the not repeated. The value will be change. The value this will be we plot. The as alpha is changing, the f alpha will be changed along. Okay, and this will be around the line. Okay, this is alpha domain, and this will be a range. But in complex number, the situation is not so simple, because now domain is not a single variable, but two variables, real and imaginary. Mean if domain will be open, okay, must be open. If set is open, okay, then function will be continuous. To be continuous, that must be a open. That's why the domain must be open. Okay, that's the actually concept of the from the open part. Or if there is not open, if that is closed, then that will become a region. That will be not remain the domain, because this will be discontinued at that point. Means that domain always used in a function. और function define तब होगा that when domain के लिए condition है that must be simple connected and simple connected and open. Okay. Open तो हर हालत में होनी चाहिए, इसमें there is no doubt. Okay. And if that is disconnected, then that will be not domain. ये भी बात है, ठीक. But the as we have discussed in the previous lecture that there may be a piecewise piecewise function. So domain in that piece, domain will be open. Okay, you will consider the function. So domain must domain define तब होती है जब that will be connected and that will be open. Okay, if that is not open, then that will be not domain of any function. Okay. Okay. So if there is a simple variable, alpha will be and f phi alpha. But in the case of the complex numbers, that become a 4-dimension. Now, if this is a C space, there will be a sheet function. That will be changing with the 4 parameters. If that complex number is alpha and beta, means they will be surface and 4 dimension, because they will be that depend upon this alpha and beta, and that will be also mapping on the F mapping of alpha and beta. That will be explained by the Riemannian surfaces. Okay, in the map बाहर. One is a complex number. Yes, you are right. This is complex number space, and the mapping will be anywhere. The sheet will be changing. Okay. So, as the case of in the Riemannian sphere. But for the function, that will be not necessary. That will be a sphere, but that will be a Riemannian surface, and we will discuss it in the next lecture. Okay. Okay. Actually, f alpha, every function, f function alpha, firstly you have to write every function, if that is depending upon the two variable alpha and beta. This may be right as, we will see, that may be right as real function real part alpha plus iota imaginary part alpha beta. But this imaginary part is not imaginary. This is imaginary part. This is not an imaginary number. Okay. Yes, as in the case of complex number, you are absolutely right. In the case of a complex number, one is related to the real axis, one will be related to the imaginary axis, but A and B will be a alpha beta or A and B, that will be a real number. So these will be the real function. These are also functions, but these are the real. The complex function has two parts, one along the, as in the case of the complex numbers, one along the real, so that is, there is a 4 variable. So that's why I am saying that the surface in the real, in complex number will be 4-dimensional surface. Why? That has a 4 part. One is a real part that will be also be based on the A and B. You may say that this is a A, this is a B, and one, the same imaginary part will be independent from this, and that will be also depend upon the two number alpha and beta. Where alpha and beta, where again, where alpha, where C is okay. Where this is map of the C on. This C is, as I have already explained, this C, where C is alpha plus iota beta. This is complex, and this is map on this, as this is alpha beta complex plane, and this is function alpha beta. And this alpha beta has a 4-dimensional space, okay, with f alpha beta is equal to real alpha beta plus iota imaginary part alpha beta. And I have explained these are a real function. This alpha, these are mapped into. This is mapping. Okay. So this will be mapped into this.